Hi guys, today we're going to do an electromagnetic experiment. For this experiment, you'll need one wire, one nail, one battery, some duct tape, and something magnetic to pick up with your electromagnet. So before this video I did some preparation and I wrapped this nail, which is over here, I wrapped the wire around this nail and put some duct tape on it to hold it secure. So now let's get started. So this is the nail that I showed you earlier. This nail currently since it's not connected to the battery, it can't pick up any of the nails, as you can see. But once we use some wire and put it on the battery, we can see that this nail becomes an electromagnet and can pick up objects like this. As you can see, it is acting like a magnet and picking up small objects like this. However, you don't want to hold the wire on the battery for too long, because the battery becomes very hot and your fingers might start getting a little hot too. An electromagnet is a soft metal core made into a magnet by the passage of an electric current through a coil surrounding it. The electric circuit flowing through a wire produces a magnetic field. The wire is tightly wrapped around a ferromagnetic core. When the wire is connected to a battery, it produces a magnetic field that magnetizes the core. The magnetic field of the core and the solenoid work together to make a very strong magnet. Now let's try picking up bigger objects. As you can see, we can still pick up the smaller object, but bigger objects such as this nail are a bit harder to pick up. This is because our electromagnet can't pick up the bigger nails because it doesn't have a strong enough magnetic force. If we use a stronger battery than let's say like a 9-volt battery, if we use a stronger battery and wrap the wire around the nail more times, it can pick up bigger nails such as this one. Now let's try picking up the smaller magnet once again, and we can show how when we release the wire from the battery, the magnetic object falls. Oh, whoops! I've dropped the battery. Okay. So as you can see, we're picking up the magnetic object right now, but as soon as we let the wire go, it falls. This is because we're releasing the current that is flowing through the wire. And as soon as you let that go, this nail is no longer an electromagnet. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to watch more science experiments like this.